The world is reeling from a shocking incident. Iran has launched a surprise retaliatory attack, targeting Israeli bridges and boats. There were loud explosions, black smoke billowing from collapsed bridges and heavily damaged boats. This is an unprecedented escalation between the two Middle Eastern powers, bringing us to the brink of a full-blown conflict. Stay tuned for the latest updates on this attack. We start this newsletter with a breaking news story that just arrived in our newsroom, originating from Iran. Iran is actively preventing an Israeli retaliatory attack. Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi said his country is fully prepared for a war situation, while stressing that his government still wants peace. Iran's statement came hours after Iran said there were no limits when it came to defending its country and its citizens in a war against Israel. Again, this is breaking news that we just got in the newsroom, and it comes from Iran. Iran's foreign minister said his country is fully prepared for war, although he maintained that the government wants peace. The statement came hours after Iran said there were no limits to defending itself and its citizens in a war with Israel.